I work for AP&C Advanced Powders and Coatings. We are a company in GE Additive manufacturing powders for additive manufacturing. So GE Additive offering machines, additive technology, as well as AdWorks, consulting services, and as well as materials for additive manufacturing. AP&C is the powder manufacturer of GE Additive. GE Additive is able to offer the machines for additive manufacturing, the consulting services through AdWorks, as well as materials through AP&C. At AP&C, we're specialized with high temperature and reactive materials, such as titanium and titanium alloys, as well as nickel superalloys. So additive manufacturing technologies have very unique needs for metal powders. For one, powders are required to exhibit excellent flowability and a high packing density with laser powder bed technology, for example. And this is what makes AP&C powders unique, is their ability to flow very well and pack very well on the powder bed. And this is due to the sphericity and the minimal satellite content present in AP&C powders. So what we're seeing here is very characteristic of AP&C powders. So very high sphericity, near perfect spheres with minimal satellite content present in the powder. And the result is excellent material for additive manufacturing technology. AP&C uses a unique plasma atomization technology. This technology produces powders with excellent properties for additive manufacturing. Our plasma torches produce powders with an excellent sphericity and minimal satellite content, as well as very low gas entrapment in the powders. Well, by using a powder that has a high sphericity and very low entrapped porosity or gas content, you are ensuring that you get the optimal flowability and packing density for your build. So you are enabling your technology to perform at its best. By using a powder that compacts very well and has low gas and has low porosity with the powder bed technology, for example, you are ensuring that you get a complete consolidation of your powder material, and you are also reducing the amount of gas entrapment present in the final parts. Reactive and fine powders can be very sensitive to environments. Moisture, for example, needs to be controlled. AP&C packages powders in a unique way with safety approved, regulation approved packaging in order to ensure that powders, especially reactive materials, are handled safely while reducing moisture content. So AP&C has customers in over 40 countries around the globe. We can ship to just about anywhere, and we have production partners and customers on just about every continent: Europe, North America, Asia. We have a global presence, especially with the additive manufacturing industry.